There is one new tornado warning for Indiana and Kentucky.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Vanderbilt County in southwestern Indiana, east central Posey County in southwestern Indiana, western Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, east central Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Corydon, or near Henderson, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stanley, Waverly, Corydon, St. Joseph, Robards, Henderson, Hebbardsville, Newburgh, and Evansville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 138 and 148. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 4. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 1 and 20. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Posey and Vanderbilt, and the following counties in Kentucky: Davis, Henderson, and Union.